Hey, gang! Caffeine BS for August 26, 2019. August is almost over. Was it like 5 more days? The year's getting shorter. Uh, I haven't been out in the shop because I haven't had any really viable project work. I've been cogitating, well, I could do this if I had some of that. I want to do this, but I need one of these machines. You know? So what am I to do? In like 2, 3 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks, I should be able to get a machine I've been dreaming of for years and years and years. Of course, I just get the machine, no accessories. Brand new drill, no bits. Hey, look at this. Although this machine will expand my capabilities in the shop greatly, and its existence in the shop is justified by the simple existence and its utility is freaking expensive. It'll be more than I've spent on Poppy's workshop in the last 12 months in total. So I am cogitating heavily